Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is combination. Now concept is selection of dissimilar things. Now here first one, the number of ways, different ways, a committee of 4 members formed out of 6 Asians, 3 Europeans and 4 Americans. Now committee have at least one from each of the 3 regional groups. Now here Asians 6, Asians 6, Europeans 3, Europeans, now Europeans are 3, next Americans 4, Americans 4. Now 4 members, a committee have 4 members, committee have 4 members. Now at least one from each of the 3 regional groups, at least one. Now here 1, 1, 2. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Now here number of selections, number of selections. Now 6C1 into 3C1 into 4C2. Now here 6C1 into 3C2 into 4C1. Next to 6C2 into 3C1 into 4C1. Therefore, total required number of selections, required number of selections is equal to, now 6C1 value 6, now 6 into 3 into, now 4C2, 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. Now 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus, next 6C1, now 6 into, now 3C2, 3C2 is equal to 3C1, 3C2 is equal to 3C1. Now according to NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Now 3C1 value 3, now 3 into 4. Next 6C2, 6C2 value is 15. Now 6 into 5 by 2 into 1, 2 ones, 2 threes. Now 15 into 3 into 4. Now 3 into 6 into 6, now here 108 plus 72 plus, now here 180 is equal to 360, is equal to 360. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, a team of 11 players has to be chosen from the group containing 6 and 8 players respectively. The number of ways of selecting them show that each selection contains at least 4 players from the first group. Now here 2 groups are there. Now G1, now G2, G1 and G2. Now group 1 contains 6 players. Now group 2 contains 8 players. Now total number of players selecting, 11 players are selecting. Now here first, according to condition, now first group contains, now here first group contains at least 4 players. At least 4 players means, at least 4 means 4 or 5 or 6. Now here, now selecting 4 players means, now here 7. Next here 5 means, now here 6. Now 6 means, now here 5. Now here number of selections is equal to, now 6C4 into 8C7, next 6C5 into 8C6, now 6C6 into 8C5, now 6C4 into 8C7, now 120, now 6C5 into 8C6, now 168, now 6C6 into 66 means that value 1 into 8C5, 56, now 56. Therefore, required number of selections is equal to 120 plus required number of selections is equal to 120 plus 168 plus 56 is equal to 344. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, a student is to answer 10 out of 13 questions in an examination. Show that he must choose at least 4 from the first 5 questions. The number of choices available to him. Now here first 5 questions and remaining means totally 13 questions means remaining 8 questions. Now answer to 10 questions. At least 4 from the first 5 questions. At least 4 means here 4 or 5. Now only 5 questions means 4 or 5. 4 means now here first 5 from 4 questions. At least 4 means 4 or 5. Now here 4 means this one 6. Now 5. Therefore, number of selections is equal to, now 5C4 into 8C6, now 5C5 into 8C5. Now total required number of selections is equal to 5C1 equal to 5C4 is equal to 5C1. Now 5 into, now 8C6, now 8C6 is equal to 8C2. 8C2 means 8 into 7 by 2 into 1, 28 plus, now 5C5 value 1 into, now 8C5, now 8C5 means 8C3, now 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1, now 56. Therefore, now 5 into 28, 140 plus 56 is equal to 196. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Next one, In how many ways can 12 boys be seated on two benches X and Y? Now 6 on each bench if two of them AB are to sit on bench X and CD on bench Y. Now here, how many ways can 12 boys be seated on two benches? Now here two benches, we take X and Y, X and Y. Now here AB are sitting bench X. Now here A and B sit on bench X. Now CD sit on bench Y. Now here total 12 boys is there. Now 12 minus A plus B plus C plus D. Now 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now here 4 places is there and here also 4 places is there. Now here first we select required number of selections. Required number of selections is equal to, now here first here 4 places is there. Now here 4 members select from out of 8C4 into, now 6 persons can be arranged 6 places, 6 factorial. Already here 4 persons can be arranged in bench X. Remaining 4 persons is there. Remaining 4 persons, now we are remaining 4 places in bench Y. Now we are 4 places, 4 persons. Now 4 places can be filled with remaining 4 persons. Now selecting with remaining 4 persons, 4C4 into 4C4. Now here again 6 persons can be arranged 6 factorial. 6p6 is equal to 6 factorial ways. Therefore, total required number of selections 8C4 into, now 4C4 value 1, 6 factorial into 6 factorial. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Next one, in a chess tournament, when the participants were to play one game with another, 2 chess players fell ill, having played 3 games each. If the total number of games played is 84, the number of participants at the beginning was. Let the number of participants number of participants is equal to n. Now, according to given conditions, 2 chess players fell ill. Now, also having played 3 games each. Now, n minus 2. Now, play chess game. Now, anyone play chess game means 2 players must be want. Now, selecting 2 players, n minus 2 C2 is equal to, now 80 total chess games played 84. 84 minus, now 2 chess players fell ill. Now played 3 games. Now 3 into 2 is equal to total 6 games. 84 minus 6. Now n minus 2 C2 means, now n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to 78. By cross multiplication, n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 78 into 2 is equal to 156. Now by verification, now for n is equal to, first option is 15, for n is equal to 15. Now 15 minus 2, 13 into 15 minus 3, 12 is equal to 156. Now 156 is equal to 156. Therefore, n value 15 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the a committee of 5 is to be formed from 6 boys and 5 girls. The number of ways committee can be formed show that the committee contains at least one boy and one girl. Having and also another conditions are given. Having majority of boys is. Now 6 boys 6, girls 5. Girls 5. Now committee of 5 is to be formed. Now according to condition, at least one boy and one girl, having majority of boys. Now we take 3 boys, now 2 girls, now 4 boys, 1 girl. Now here boys are majority. Now at least one girl. At least one girl means 1 girl or 2 girls or 3 girls. Now at least one boy. At least one boy means 1 boy or 2 or 3 or 4. Now according to given condition, now here selecting 3 boys out of 6. Now number of selections 6C3 into 5C2. Now 6C4. Now 6C4 into 5C1. Now is equal to 6C3 into 5C2. Now 6C3 value 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Now 20 into 5C2 value is 10. Now 20 into 10. Now 6C4 value 15. 6C4 is equal to 6C2. Now 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. Now 15 into 5. Therefore, required number of selections is equal to required number of selections is equal to 200 plus 75 is equal to 275. Therefore, required number of selections is equal to 275. Option 4 is the correct one. Next one, in how many ways can a committee consisting 3 men and 2 women be formed from 7 men and 5 women? Now, here 7 men means 7, women's 5. Now here 3 men and 2 women. Now committee consisting 3 men and 2 women. Now here 3 and 2. Therefore number of selections is equal to, now 7C3 into 5C2. 7C3 into 5C2. Now 7C3 value 7 into 3 times 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. Now 35. Therefore, required number of selections is equal to 35 into 5C2 value 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 10 is equal to 350. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one.